In 2024 February 12, ZLUDA has been released, which enables CUDA applications to run on AMD GPUs. To install, go to the ZLUDA GitHub page. Click here on the Releases button. Download the latest version. Open the Downloads folder. Unzip the zip file. Open the ZLUDA folder. In the Windows Explorer, by entering the CMD command in the location address bar, a CMD window will open, which is located in the path of the ZLUDA folder. Here we use the following command. If everything is done correctly, the Blender will open. Now if we open User Preferences and click on System in the side menu bar, we can turn on CUDA for the AMD GPU under the Cycles Render Devices menu. Let's see how ZLUDA performs against HIP in Blender. The specs used for the benchmark are i7-6700K 48GB RAM, AMD Radeon RX Vega 64. I tested the two APIs and the following demos: Monster Under the Bed, Lone Monk, Nishida Sky demo, Agent 327 Barbershop, Cosmos Laundromat demo, Classroom, Barcelona Pavilion, Italian Flag.